What's going on, YouTube? Back with another update vid here. As you saw in the last video we posted, we are finally on the dyno making jam, but right around 450 wheel we started boosting the coolant, which pretty much means that I have a small imperfection or leak in my head gasket. So today we're going to be tearing the head off, taking it all apart, and we're going to be getting it ready to go to the machine shop, get resurfaced. And we'll also be getting it ready for obviously a new head gasket as well. And that's about it. So we're gonna start tearing into this. I'm gonna try and put it on a time lapse, but we'll see how that goes. And we'll make updates as we get further into the engine. Alright guys, we're back with a little update. Got some shit torn off pretty much. Got the intercooler off, cold charge pipe, most of the harness torn off, catch can lines, fuel lines, got the air motive regulator tucked back up in there, getting ready to take this coil plate off, then this manifold, and then we'll work on coolant lines and work on the valve cover, taking the valve cover off and getting her off then, because that'll be it. So get there soon. Oh yeah, we still got to take off the timing belt, but that's easy once you get the valve cover off. You really don't gotta mess with that. So here we are. Here's where we're at. About 20 minutes in, like I said. So just taking our time at it, getting a slow pace moving, and should be done soon. So alright guys, so we just got the valve cover off. Got the turbo manifold off. Pretty much everything off. Now we're ready to take the cams out and take the head off pretty much. So that's what we're gonna do. Gotta take the timing belt off, gonna loosen that, and from there we're gonna have to take obviously the cams off, cam caps, cam covers, all that good shit. Gotta take the VTEC solenoid off once I get the head off, because I don't want that going to the machine shop. And obviously the intake manifold as well. So we're gonna get going on this, and I will give another update as soon as we get this off. But I just want to give you guys a look in the head, show you how clean everything is. Like I said, we got the GSC valve train, Ferrera valves, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty basic combo, and it's working great in this car. So we'll see you in a sec. Alright guys, so we got the head off. Looks like, if I had to guess, it was leaking between here, and obviously, so cylinder 2 and 3. There's obviously some imperfection somewhere on the head. Probably just where it's so dirty here. It just wasn't a good seal, and I should have noticed that. It was my fault putting it together like that. Or just, if you feel it now, it just you feel like a little ridge, like it's just not 100%. So should get that resurfaced, get a new gasket on here, and obviously you can see the pistons in there looking shiny, taking some boost. I don't know why they're dirty like that. Maybe they took some oil, I don't know, just the explosions. But come on. Oh, there we go, got her off. So like I said, 2 and 3 probably leaking, and now that I'm looking, maybe a little bit on 1, or this would actually be 4. 1 actually looks fine. Maybe a little leakage, but mainly on 2 and 3. The back side, kind of telling the same story almost. You just see it's pushing pressure through there. It wasn't a good seal. You're on 4 on this back side, looking pretty shitty. So That's got to be the culprit, boosting the coolant, and I have to warranty that head gasket out. And my local machine shop that I'm gonna have resurfaced this head is closed for the rest of this week. So unfortunately, we won't be able to get this back together and going until the following Monday, or Monday to Wednesday. Today being Wednesday, so a week from now, probably have another update on the hatch. So this is how she's gonna lie for now until we get her back from the machine shop. I still have to take the intake manifold off and VTEC solenoid, and my machine shop wants me to take out all the rockers, so I have to take all that out, which is kind of a pain, but it's really not that big of a deal. So maybe I'll make an update once the head is completely bare and you guys can see that, and that'll be the end of the video. So we'll make a quick update once we get there. Got the head at the machine shop, getting ready to get a head resurface. All this apart, rockers out. Just want to give you guys a quick glimpse what she looks like now. Get to see the after when she's done. So, yep, Northeast Machine Shop, my local machine shop.